posh night tonight. So off we go. Turn it round, look at the posh one. My handsome chappy.
Yep, so we're ready. Booked in, virtual queue, worked well tonight. So we're going to go down and we'll show you some pictures of our meal. And hopefully it's a nice one. Celebration night menu, Muse Rouge, shrimp, wild mushroom, parma ham, apricot granola, soup, and main courses. And it's beef sirloin, or beef Wellington, or a roast lamb rump. And desserts, cherry jubilee, creme brulee, cashew cheesecake, ice cream sorbet, cheese plate, and the wines. Right, so I've got some nice bread and amuse-bouche. Evidently it's a Greek yogurt thing, so well, it's quite nice, yeah. It's got a, it's a bit like well, a milky yogurt.
It's like a yogurt.
Yeah, so very nice. Yeah, it's a bit like lassi you get in Indian restaurants. So yeah, refreshing, nice.
I've got parma ham with a parmesan mousse.
Some green leaves. And I have got here the wild mushroom risotto. No, not risotto. It's wild mushrooms in puff pastry. Yeah. How was the parma ham?
It was beautiful, and the mousse was gorgeous.
And as you can see, I thoroughly scoffed my mushrooms. But like a big vol au vent, which I like. So very good. So I've got minestrone soup.
I've got coccoliki soup.
And the coccoliki soup. Very nice. So my minestrone soup is gone. It was fine. Nothing special. It needed some parmesan or something to give it a bit of taste. How was your coccoliki, dear?
It was alright.
Yeah.
But only alright.
Well, it could have done to have been hot as well. It's lukewarm.
Well,
Want hot? I like hot soup. But okay. So my beef Wellington has arrived. It looks very nice. Dolphin Bars potatoes, nice gravy or jus. And Julie has got
lamb fillet.
Lamb.
Yeah. Lamb.
And mint sauce. So the beef Wellington was delicious, and the vegetables were delicious. Potatoes, unfortunately laced with garlic, and really can't do with anything laced with garlic. So other than that, well, I suppose as a side note, it was lukewarm. It wasn't hot at all. It was just warm. So a bit of a letdown. Warm dinner. Garlic on it doesn't mention it on the menu, and you can check the menu for yourself. It does with the chicken, but it doesn't say anything about garlic with the beef. Bad choice. How's the lamb?
It's lovely. It's just, again, I can't eat garlic, so...
Yeah. know a lot of people love garlic, and that's fine. But it just gives me terrible indigestion.
That's right, it makes us ill.
So I'll be burping up garlic for the next 3 days if I eat anything that's laced with it. So what have you got though?
I've got a pancake, some
Cherries
cheddar,
jubilee,
and some ice cream.
vanilla ice cream.
And that's cream and almonds.
Yeah. Okie dokie. And I've got the creme brulee. And I'll just test this. No crack on there. So, okay. So, creme brulee has gone. We're okay. And cherries jubilee.
It was lovely, absolutely lovely.
Good. What were your pancake like?
It was lovely.
Good.
The whole thing was lovely.
Onto the cheese plate. So the cheese and biscuits has arrived, and the chocolates